Hi guys, my name is Ryan Noriega, and today I'll be presenting to you the Learning and SDAIE strategy of anticipation guides. Now, anticipation guides are a comprehension strategy mostly used as a pre-reading strategy before a source text. You can also use these guides before videos, lessons, or units to activate students' prior knowledge and build curiosity about a new topic. Now, before whatever you're using it for, such as a reading, video, lesson, or unit, students listen to or read several statements about key concepts presented in whatever your source for the information is. These guides are often structured as a series of statements with which students can choose to often agree or disagree in the affirmative, yes, no, also. Anticipation guides stimulate student interest in a topic and set a purpose to the reading, video, lesson, or unit. In using this strategy, there are two steps. First, creating the strategy or the anticipation guide. And in this, the teacher will come up with ideas of their source information, major ideas that they want students to learn. And in this, they will create affirmative, simple yes or no questions that a student can respond to in a short little graphic organizer that the teacher will design. After they have designed this graphic organizer about their major ideas of source information, the teacher will have students complete the anticipation guide before whatever they're choosing to present, such as a reading, video, or their lesson for the day. The teacher will remind students that they should be prepared to discuss and debate their reactions to the statements on anticipation guides after they have completed it. Next, the teacher will have students read the text or watch their video or do their lesson for the day with their anticipation guide responses fresh in their minds so they can react to the text as they read. The teacher can also include a section in where students describe their rationales for the answer given. The teacher will also encourage students to mark down or write down spots in the text that supports their initial reaction to the statements or cause them to think those reactions, or at points in the video or lesson where they learn these things as well. After your video, reading, lesson unit, what have you, the teacher might also have a class discussion at the completion of these things, asking the students if any of them have changed their position on any of these statements. The teacher will also encourage students to share how they reacted to the text, video, or lesson, given their initial responses captured in the anticipation guide, which they still have in front of them. The teacher will also make sure that students share examples from the source text or lesson where the initial responses were either supported or challenged. I also have come up with a little anticipation guide myself for you guys. I will link it in the video. This is an example of it here. It's just short questions given right here about the source video, which I will also link on Vikings. Students can either choose to agree in the affirmative right here, disagree right here. And the teacher can also ask students beforehand to give rationales as to why they chose the affirmative yes or no. This is also another spot that during the video, lesson, unit, what have you, you can ask students to write down concrete evidence, which you can ask for later in the discussion after. And this is the SDAIE strategy and learning strategy of anticipation guides. Thank you, guys.